Assalamu alaikum everyone. So once again we're back with another podcast and आज हमारे साथ आफिया है, so we'll be doing a small question and answer session with her. So assalamu alaikum Afia, you're looking stunning in the abaya.
Thank you. Walaikum assalam.
आपका खुद का brand है, like do you care to share a few details on the abaya?
Oh no, actually, this abaya is from Nisha, my most favorite brand for abayas. Yes, I recently got this from them.
Okay, perfect. So firstly तो आफिया, people would like to know about you a little bit कि आपने कैसे start किया, कब start किया and what inspired you to start?
So I started in 2021. So that's when I first started wearing the hijab. So I was like, Abhi kya, what to lose out on? Let's start posting pictures and stuff because I'm already covered. So like, log kya kahenge ka डर नहीं रहेगा abhi. So yeah, that's what made me start. And
Right.
what inspired me was this quote. Sana Khan had said that, ki,
अच्छा,
don't
हाँ.
make the last day be the first day you wear. Last day of your life
You
be the first day you wear the
first day
hijab.
you wear the hijab,
So yeah,
right?
that gave me goosebumps and literally made me start wearing the hijab.
Right, right, right. And I'm sure कि अभी no journey is easy and all. तो I'm sure आपने भी काफी सारे challenges face किए होंगे.
Oh yeah, because when I started wearing the hijab, like most of the people around me were like, abhi se shuru kar rahe ho because like in our society, in our circle, not many young people wear the abayas and the hijabs. It's mostly like this is this style of wearing dresses and stuff is mostly for the elder crowd, like the older
Right.
people. So to find out abayas and fashion that suits us young people was not much at that time, and now it is like everywhere. पहले वो उतना नहीं था, अभी बहुत है, like मतलब we have many modest options अभी.
Right, right. Dresses में भी और
Dresses.
abayas में भी. So now, after you worked with us, पहले भी आपने हमारे साथ काम किया है, and you've seen a glimpse of our services. तो आपके हिसाब से what is the USP? हमारा USP क्या है? Nisham's USP.
I would like to say I really like your customer service because like you guys are so friendly and you cater to every need, like all of our needs 100% without being laid back or anything as such. And the best part about your store is that you provide a video call facility. I absolutely love that. कुछ मुझे कुछ खरीदना हो तो I need to see that मेरे सामने पहले. So I really
Right.
like that feature. And what else? I like the fact that you have a flexible payment method, like either it's online or COD. I really like that. Yeah.
So, and you come across our website also, I'm sure, because we are
Yes.
providing our services globally. तो जो
That's
not just
wonderful.
पैन इंडिया तो हम COD services करते ही है.
हाँ.
Apart from that also हम लोग we are a globally international brand. So हमारे abayas and all we sell it all across the globe.
Yeah. And I like the fact that you have a store in Mumbai. So whenever I visit Mumbai, I make it a point to visit your store.
We look forward
Yeah.
to you coming to our store more. So now, apart from that, how would you describe Nisham in one line?
I would say authenticity, luxury, and quality all under one roof.
Perfect. So another thing, Afia, now ये जो podcast है, people will be watching not just in India but internationally also. So आपका क्या message होगा to the viewers who are thinking of purchasing from us or in future हमसे खरीदना चाहेंगे?
I would like to say blindly go ahead because Misham is 100% authentic brand. It's sells luxury abayas and no dupes, nothing, and the price is very affordable for the quality which we are getting. So I would highly recommend people shopping from this brand.
Thank you. And now काफी सारे टाइम ऐसा होता है कि वी कम अक्रॉस पेजेस ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग जो हम करते हैं तो हम वी कम अक्रॉस पेजेस जो क्लेम करते हैं दुबई अबाया सेल करने का बिटवीन 1000 to 1500 एंड हमारे पास भी काफी सारे कस्टमर्स आते हैं हु कमेंट टेल कि आपका प्राइस रेंज कंपैरेटिवली बहुत ज्यादा है ये XYZ शॉप पे तो दुबई अबाया 1000 या 1500 का मिल रहा है सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट की व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स की दुबई अबाया 1000 1500
I think if you go to Dubai and shop abayas, also you won't get abayas for such a lesser price because it's impossible. I think you might get the designs, you might get the prints, but getting that fabric at such a less price, I think it's impossible.
Mostly ऐसा होता है कि they copy your design or maybe just copy the ones which are originally made in Dubai, not actually the ones which are made
True,
in
yeah.
Dubai.
Only people who wear luxury abayas know the value of a good luxury abaya. The fabric is the most important thing here.
The quality and all
The
is just
quality, yeah.
clearly understood. And वो
Yeah.
इंडियन मटेरियल में जिसकी डिजाइन कॉपी कर
Yeah.
दिया. राइट. नाउ आप भी हमारे साथ काफी टाइम से एसोसिएटेड है एंड नॉट जस्ट वर्क विद अस एज अ कोलैबोरेटर बट आल्सो यू बीन अ कस्टमर पर्सनली. तो आपके पर्सनल थॉट्स क्या है कि फॉर नीशम एज अ ब्रांड.
I would like to say this is my most favorite brand because I've shopped and I've collaborated with so many abaya pages and stuff. But then the quality, the fabric, the price which you offer, I haven't got that anywhere else. And the fact that you have 500 to 600 abayas at one given time is just chef's kiss because no other brand offers that. You have so many designs to choose from and so many different abayas to choose from. It's amazing.
And even if the person does not find their right fit or right design in those 500 to 600 options, we also have an option for customizing the abayas.
Yeah,
So
that's
be it
amazing.
आपका design हो, आपका size हो, we can do it whatever you want.
That's really nice. And I really hope that you open a store in Bangalore soon because I'll be a regular. Like, I'll genuinely be a regular
Inshallah.
customer. Yeah.
Inshallah. We're looking forward
Inshallah.
to opening more and more stores pan India, and we are also looking forward to opening stores internationally.
That's
Inshallah,
really
if we
nice.
have people like you along with us, we'll be doing it soon, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Lastly, if you don't mind, Afia, will you share a glimpse of your abaya?
Oh, sure. One second. So this is how the abaya looks. I loved it first of all because this is black, and the fact that it's got these rhinestone detailing all over the abaya is like amazing. This is a proper abaya which is screaming luxury. Yeah.
And you styled also very beautifully, mashallah.
Thank you.
So with this, we'd like to end our podcast. Thank you so much, Afia, for joining, and we had a lovely time talking to you.
Most welcome. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I really enjoyed today.
And all the best for your future.
Ameen. Thank you.
Also, if you guys like this podcast and want to know more about our brand, you can check out our website, which is www.nisham.com. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more updates. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.